Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. This right here is my laundry machine, and as you can see, it has not been cleaned for quite some time now. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your laundry machine using 2 rags, alcohol, vinegar and baking soda. We will have to do 3 different things, but first soak these 2 rags right here into this vinegar. Make sure to get as much vinegar as possible on these rags. Place these rags right here into this washing machine frame. If vinegar is dripping a little bit, that is not a problem. It's supposed to be like that. Second thing is to take the baking soda and spill it in there. You can be as generous as you want with this baking soda. You can close the door right now, and the third and the last thing is this detergent reservoir right here. You see how it's all dirty and messed up from all detergent. Again, we are going to take this alcohol vinegar and sip it in there. Not too much, at least 1 cup will be enough. Close it. Put your laundry machine on rinse and soft and just let it run for these 30 minutes. This alcohol vinegar is able to go into all small holes in this laundry machine, so basically it is able to clean every detergent buildup that is in there. And the baking soda is very good in preventing mold buildup or in removing mold if you got some mold somewhere in there in your laundry machine. 30 minutes later, this deep cleaning of your laundry machine has been done. Let's take these rags out and see. Nice. See, everything is much cleaner than before, and inside, as you can see, spotless. If you have a dirty laundry machine like I did, then you need to try this trick out. Even your clothes will smell nicer. Trust me. I hope you had found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so you can help more people. Thank you guys for that, and I will see you in the next one.